everyone! Are you interested in trying another unique template for presentation? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a creative ebook type of presentation using PowerPoint. So disclaimer, I do not own the images that I'm going to use in this tutorial. All the images are credited to the rightful owners. So without further ado, let's start. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the button notification bell for more tutorial updates. So let's prepare the blank template. Then after that, we have to view the ruler or the guide. We'll just remove this one. And then after that, then I will search for the different images for our template background. So I will look for a floral. It really depends if you want some abstract or any design. But for this tutorial, I will choose floral theme. So for the cover template, I choose this one. And then let's go back to the PowerPoint. And then I'm going to paste it here. Only the half proportion in the right side, in the right corner. Okay, I will fix it. And after that, I will insert text. Text, text box, and then art. Okay, I will write my presentation. Okay, and then justify. You can change the font style, the font size. So for this one, I choose a script empty bold. After that, I will change the color of the text. I will choose this one, and then the outline. You can also adjust the way of the outline, if, and then also the dashes if you want, like this, and then you can change it. It's up to you if you want to look at more nice and more presentable. You can just explore more. Okay, there you go. Then after that, we will search again for a spiral binder and ring. Okay. Fine. So I will choose this one. Copy. Okay. Then let's put it here. Just arrange. So let it make it bigger. And then for next page or next slide, let's search again another um, another floral background. Mhm. I think this one is nice. Okay, let's check. Okay, I will I will go for this one. And then I'm going to paste it on the left only, left corner. Okay. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to use again another spiral. I will use this one, the middle one. Let's back to this one. And then this. Place it in the middle. Alright. Just adjust for effect to look it more realistic. Okay. And then I will insert text. Like for example, if you want to write your name or a welcome note, you can put it here. This serves as your welcome note page. Okay. So, okay, change the font style. Then at the size, justify, change the color. Color. There you go. Alright. Okay. And then in this right corner, I will use another image. I'm going to use this one. Copy. Copy. Then paste it here. Remove the background. Okay. Here's our purpose one. Just it. And then put it here. Just okay. It's okay. It's okay. And then after that, another slide. Okay, copy this one. Place it in the both side. Drag it to the left corner. Okay. And then copy the spiral. This one, spiral one. Paste it here. Adjust. Alright, that's it. As simple as that. Now another slide. This one is the last page. Okay. I will just copy the cover on the first page, as you can see. But the only thing that I'm going to do is to change the position. There you go. And then after that, copy the spiral wire or spiral binder wire. Copy, paste it here, and then change the position. Okay. Flip it like this. And then enhance. That's it. And you can put or you can insert anything. But for this one, I'm going to search for thank you. Uh, Alright, this one. Okay, this one. Copy. Copy. And then paste it. Okay. And then you can write your name. There you go. I'll just insert my name. A-N-I. You can change the color. And then I will change the color of the text to make it more attractive. This one. Alright, there you go. And then now, let's go back to the first slide. We're going to change the transition. We are going to use the page curl. Page curl. Okay. Next. Page. And then another one. Alright. Okay. Okay, wait. I will just change the color because it's not so clear. Okay. I will check if I have achieved the ebook presentation. Yes, there you have it. Alright. that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.